Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And my name, welcome back to Pepsi. I was about to say my name. And so today I am going to play Jigsaw. I'm doing part 2 because I already played it. Um, so yeah, I already experienced it. I already experienced part 1, so come on, I have no time. Oh my god. Look, it's Jigsaw, guys. Ew, look at his face, so ugly. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not trying to be rude. It's like, I don't like Jigsaw. When I first saw this movie, I'm like, ew, why is there like targets on your cheeks? Like, why do you look like that? It looks. I'm not sure why this is a particular game, because children are not allowed to play this game. You die from this game, alright? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm doing this dot things. Okay, let's go. No key. Come on, open up. Okay, I found key 4. Okay, guys, so I can go in key 4. Okay, so other people are trying to find their keys to get in the door and unlock their, heads, and yeah. So guys, I'm gonna put this out because it's too loud. So, I don't like this one because you have to there's like these jigsaws and you're gonna have to like put your key on time before your jigsaws like cut your your I forgot, your mannequin, which I don't like. Like, come on, give us more time. Like, make the jigsaws more like more 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 slower, cause you know. Okay. And I don't know what's gonna happen at the end yet, but it's only us. I think, yeah, it's only us. There's on there's okay. There's only one door for us to go. Where's the girl go? I'm by myself. Well, at least I can win by myself. Am I right? Maybe not, cause I'll be the first one to get killed. Well, it's only me, so I got no problem. Well, it'll be better if I had somebody with me. But, you gotta do things yourself, right? Ugh, it's gonna be so hard. Come on, get my key. I'm gonna lose, guys. If I had someone with me, it would be more easier. Come on, go! Oh, I got no time. I don't know what's gonna look like when my mannequin gets cut in half. Oh my god. How am I gonna do this? How? Well, rest in peace, mannequin, because you're gonna die. You're gonna die, guys. If I don't survive, I'm going another server, because I can't do it by myself. That girl just left me, so I'm doing it by myself. Oh my god, it's going near it. Come on! Okay, I'm done with that one. Oh my god! Oh my god, no, guys, I'm gonna die. I only have 40 seconds left. Guys, no, no, no. Rest in peace, mannequin, you're gonna die. I don't. You know what? Bye. I'm killing myself. I'm killing myself. Wait, can I kill myself? I can't kill myself. You see, guys? See, I have no time left. I'm just gonna let my mannequin get cut in half. Rest in peace. Well, that's the end of you. That's the end of you. Let me look at you die. Let me look at you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry my mannequin had to experience that, or kids watching, I'm sorry if you had to see that. But I'm gonna do part 1 because part 2 is so I'm gonna do part 1. Oh my god. Woman, are you okay? So guys, I'm gonna pause until like people get in, so yeah. Okay guys, so we're starting the game right now. So it took like 1 second for somebody to come in, so I just did this whoosh. So yeah. You know what? I'm waiting. Okay guys, so we're gonna start the game. So ew. I don't like his face. It looks so weird. Okay. Okay, hopefully I survive on this one, cause the last one I was by myself and I couldn't help myself, so my mannequin died. Okay guys, let's go. Let's go. I found key! I found the first key! No, I'm not friending you, I'm sorry. Oh my god, guys, I got the first key. So I'm just gonna wait until other people come because I'm wasting my time. By the way, guys, I might post part 2 because this is, I won't really have enough time because until 11 I could stop recording. So yeah, I think I have a little time, just a little. Okay guys, so I am not excited at all, but I am happy I have friends with me. But I don't know what happened to the last girl. She probably died. So she probably had like hard time finding the key, but I already know what this game is about. Please stop please stop telling me. Come on, I know what to do. Stop giving me directions. Well, for the other people who are new, yes. Okay, guys, so let me take this key. Okay, let me get myself. Okay, let's go. Phew, I'm glad I got a a door. Oh my god, I don't like this game. I mean, it's easy, but like sometimes I have a hard time with numbers, but I'm okay. By the way, please don't ask me about my grades. Sorry, you don't want to know. Wait, this one is about colors. They have a number one. It's just that they're doing the color. So, well, I don't have hard time with colors. Red, click. Oh my god. It's only 3 of us. Okay, let's see. Okay, none of us died, which is good. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna post part 2 later.